Hi guys, it's EKD and today I thought of doing something very basic, alright? And it is all about the best route to take when wanting to learn graphics design. You don't want to miss out, alright? So stay tuned.
Hi guys, my name is EKD. Welcome to my channel. From graphics design to motion graphics, from branding to logo designs, all I do is to simplify your design learning process. You can trust me on that. I provide awesome tutorials that will help you learn fast. All you have to do is to subscribe to this channel, like my videos, and share.
Alright, there's a common mistake people make when wanting to learn graphics design. Alright, there's a common mistake. So going straight to the software, going straight to learning Photoshop or to learning CorelDRAW. Alright, you do not learn like that. You do not learn design like that. Alright, there's a particular route to follow, and the first is that you've got to know the foundational idea behind graphics design. Alright, you can't jump past that. And what is the foundational idea? One thing is that graphic design is a means of communication, and most people don't know that. They don't know that it is not just art. If you studied communication in school, you must have heard about visual communication. Graphic design is under visual communication. Every graphic design is to communicate something. If it were to be art, we would have some kinds of art just there for people to admire, alright, just aesthetically pleasing. People tend to mistake graphic design for art. It is not art. It is not just meant to be beautiful. It is meant to communicate something. In fact, that is the core. It is meant to communicate something, alright. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind as you begin the journey of graphics design. Keep that in mind, alright. And the next thing is that you want to learn about the elements of design. It is very vital. Elements of design such as space and text, images, because there is literally no graphic you will see on earth that does not contain at least two of these. Contain maybe a text or an image or a color. So that's why you must know about the elements. And the next thing you want to learn is compositing. So what do I mean by compositing? Composition simply means putting together all these elements to form a design, alright? And there are principles, and that's why you must study the principles of design. Okay, at times, most people just stop at learning the elements, just knowing how to put shape, or just bring in a text, or just changing colors. That is not the entirety of what you should learn, alright? You move further to learn the principles, because with these principles, you know how to apply your color, how to position your text, you know how to position your shapes, and all that. So it is very important to learn the principles. And when you are done with that, it means you are done with what? Compositing. You are done with learning how to what? To composite, alright? That is important. So the next thing you want to learn is design psychology. And most times I tell people that you are working with humans, alright? Human beings are the only species that will interact with your design. So that's why you must know how the mind works. There's no way you can escape it. You have to know how the mind works, and that's what psychology is all about. And after you're done learning how the mind works, you know how to put these things together in the best way that it communicates or it has an impact on human beings, the main and the only target. And after you're done learning design psychology, you would have the skill to make impactful designs. Not just to make designs with messages, but these designs will greatly impact humans, alright? And the last thing you want to learn is creativity. Alright, most people argue that creativity is learned, or maybe some persons are born with creativity. It is still argued to today, but for me, I have a stand that creativity can be taught, because it has been tried. I have tried it personally. It can be taught. I agree to the fact that, or I accept the fact that most persons are born with that innate capacity or gift, but I believe it can also be learned. All right, you can grow in creativity relative to time. All right, with time you can grow with creativity by applying certain principles. I hope to make a video soonest on creativity, but meanwhile you can find in my video some time where I'll just shipping some things to do in order to be creative, but I'll make a dedicated video, alright, just for people to learn how to be creative, alright. And when you learn creativity, you will know when not just know about the principles, know about them, you will know the exact time or the right time to apply a certain principle, all right, or to ship in a particular element of design. And it will help you in other areas of life also, other aspects of what, of design. All right, so that was just I thought to bring out today, because I find most persons making that mistake. All right, I also have other advanced tutorials on this channel. Don't forget to subscribe and share this to if you are not a beginner yourself, you can share this to people who are just starting to learn graphics design. All right, even if they are self-taught. Most people don't like being self-taught because they find that it's time wasting. All right, but knowing this route, you can be self-taught and still achieve something. All right, it doesn't matter, because I myself, most of the knowledge I have was me teaching myself. If there's no way to get a teacher, you can just be self-taught, but follow this route I have provided you. All right, so see you next time. I remain EKD. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and share to your designers friends. All right, so see you next time. Bye.